How to hide like numbers on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and then go to the post or picture that you want to hide the like count on. Say for example this one. Now, as you can see at the bottom left corner of the post, it displays the number of likes. So in order for you to hide that number, all what you need to do is click on the three dots at the top left corner of the post and then select hide like count. And as you can see, the like count has been hidden and it does not show the number of likes. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide the like count or the likes number on Instagram post. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.